How to use GoPro with OBS Studios without a cable. The first step is to connect the GoPro to the Wi-Fi. So turn on your GoPro and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Now, once you have done this, go ahead and pair the camera using the GoPro Quick app. So use the GoPro Quick app to pair and configure your camera. Once you've done this, you can now go ahead and enable live streaming on the GoPro. So go to the live streaming settings on your GoPro and choose the RTMP stream. And once you've done that, go ahead and open up OBS Studios, launch it on your computer. Once you have, head into add a media or browser source. So go ahead and click on media source. Once you have, you can now preview the wireless feed from your GoPro as it should now appear as a wireless video inside of your OBS Studios. Now the next thing is optimizing and bettering your performance. So go ahead and lower the resolution or bitrate if the stream lags or freezes, because wireless streaming may have slight delay and lower stability than wired setups. And that's how you can use your GoPro wirelessly with OBS Studios.